Hello and welcome to peeling my face off. I can't wait to peel it off either, trust me. I'm gonna make a little hole. Oh, this is freaky. Oh, this is pulling out all my hair. I didn't even know that I was this hairy. This is pretty fun though. Oh my god. Oh, I'm just gonna chill in pain for a little bit. Okay, I'm having a little bit of fun with this. Oh! At least I'm getting a free waxing. I'm gonna have to pull. I'm gonna have to pull and like a band-aid. Like a band-aid. Okay. Oh my god, this actually got all my blackheads out. Damn, I highly recommend. Okay, let's tackle the forehead. And let's pray for my brows. Ah! Oh, I'm over this. The last bit. I'm gonna go wash myself now. I am officially done. In absolutely every meaning of that word. My skin is okay now, but I'm afraid that tomorrow is gonna be real bad. I hope you enjoyed the peel off and have an amazing rest of your day.